Hello. Today, we're going to learn how to add your email account to your iPhone or iPad. This will allow you to send and receive emails directly from your device. We'll take it step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this. I'm here to help you through it. Step 1. Receiving your email certificate. First, you should have received an email from your email provider with a special file attached. This is called a certificate, and it helps keep your email secure. Find this email on your device. If you're not sure how to do this, just open the Mail app and look for a recent message from your email provider. Step 2. Downloading the certificate. Once you've found the email, open it and look for an attachment. It might say something like certificate or have a name that ends in .cr or .p12. Tap on this attachment and your iPhone or iPad will start downloading it. You might see a message that says Profile Downloaded or Install Profile. Don't worry, this is exactly what we want to happen. Step 3. Installing the certificate. After the download, you'll need to install the certificate. To do this, go to the Settings app on your home screen. It looks like a set of gears. Once you're in Settings, you might see a new section near the top called Profile Downloaded or Install Profile. Tap on this. Then, follow the instructions to install the certificate. You might need to enter your device's passcode. That's the same number you use to unlock your phone or tablet. Step 4. Adding your email account. Now that your certificate is installed, it's time to add your email account. Stay in the Settings app and scroll down until you see Mail. Tap on it. Then look for Accounts and tap that too. Next, tap Add Account. You'll see a list of email providers like Google or Yahoo. If you see your provider, tap it. If not, tap Other to add your account manually. Enter your email information as prompted. This will include your email address and password. Sometimes your device will fill in the rest for you. If it asks for more details like a server name or port, don't worry. You can find this information in the email from your provider, or you can ask them directly. Step 5. Verifying your account. After you've entered your information, your iPhone or iPad will check that everything is correct. If there's a problem, it might ask you to check your details and try again. This is normal. Just double-check the information you entered and submit it again. Step 6. Using your email. Once everything is set up, you can start using your email right away. Go back to your home screen and open the Mail app. You should see your new account there. Try sending yourself a test email to make sure everything is working correctly. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully added your email account to your iPhone or iPad. Now you can send and receive emails wherever you are. If you have any questions or need a bit more help, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, it's okay to go through these steps more than once if you need to. Thank you for learning with me today.